Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the exposure on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your device and go to the Adjust button next to the Filter section at the bottom of the page. And go to the third option, the exposure, and here you can edit the exposure if you drag the circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.